tell me he was in there with a hooker.
Well, that's what I do when I'm on vacation.
Buddy, what the hell is wrong with you two? Can't you see I'm banging Astro?
Right, Astro, man.
Boy, it's swell to say, good morning, USA.
Wait. Hi, my hand's doing this. Can you think of any way you'd want to be a part of it?
Just the tip? Just the tip! Just the tip!
Oh my God, Morty, what did you do? You killed the Simpsons, Morty!
No, I didn't mean to.
Oh,
No,
God,
stop.
look at the baby one! Oh my...
Days of trucking, the days of
Man, in those days, we in cars, bars, trees, and even under the seat.
Laugh and cry.
Would you just sit down and go to the bathroom already?
What'd they die of?
Crushed pelvises.
Yes!
Oh, thank you, Lord in heaven.
chop, 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 flip, chop, 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 judo flip, chop, 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 judo flip, chop, chop, chop.
So, Mr. Dubois, Mr. I wanna lock niggas up for peeing. What's the statute of limitations on bedwetting? Why not prosecute me and R. Kelly at the same time, huh?
So come on down to South Park and meet some friends of mine.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? Holy sh**.